Hi friends, I'm Prashant and you're watching ClickView tutorials on my channel Oja Consultancy Tech Videos. Today we are going to discuss about on how to load data from text file. So in this video we'll cover two type of scenario. Scenario 1 is pipe separated file. So we'll see how pipe separated file will going to be loaded into ClickView. So let's open our ClickView application, open script editor. Now my script editor is open. Click on table file. Okay, in this one data set, you can see I created two scenarios data set, product scenario 1 and product scenario 2. So click on the product scenario 1, open. Okay, you can see my data is in three different column. But the thing is, it's not properly aligned because as I said, it's a pipe separated means my data should break, means my column should break at the pipe. So we'll change our delimiter to pipe. Okay, now you can see my data is it properly aligned. My header is not proper, so I click on labels, embedded label. Once I click on the embedded label, my headers are in proper format. Okay, so click next, 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 and finish. Save the script, reload, create a table box to see how our data will looks like. Select all, promote id, promote name, because this sequence will show you in your table box. So my product id as a first, product name as second, and product expression as third. So you can see our data is properly loaded. So now move to the second scenario. So our second scenario is header is not at the first row. What does it mean? It means that my header is not at first row. It might be second row, it might be at third row, or it might be at fourth row. So let's see how it's work. Clear this one. Again go to the script editor. Clear the script. Now click on table file. Click on product scenario 2. Okay. Now you can see except header I can see some other values, product, report. So it might be present in our text file. So we'll see our text file after the completion of this demo. So change the delimiter to, as in this data set I put separator as a has. Now label is embedded label. Still I'm getting one row. It means my header is not at the particular position. So select lines, click 1 2 3. Okay, it means that my header is at the fourth row. Means first row is not applicable, second not applicable, third not applicable, fourth one is the perfect header. Next, next, finish. Save it, reload. So we'll see how our data will look like. Table box, again select all, promote, sorry, demote one. Okay, apply. Okay, okay, we can see we are getting the same set of the data as of the scenario 1. Okay, now to better understand this, we'll see how our data set was. Okay, let's see our scenario 2 data set. As you can see here, my pipe separated is now replaced with has. My header, which was at the first row, now is at the fourth row. So first row, second row, third row. In our Excel data, if we give these blank values or blank row, it will be never read by click, it will be simply ignored. But in a text file, it's always treat as a row. That's the reason we give a lines 3, means we are ignoring first 3, fourth one we are picking. I hope guys you all like this video. Thank you.